Welcome to our video on the nature of employee communication. We'll explore the importance of internal communications, their benefits, and how they can be effectively implemented within an organization. Internal communications are crucial for stakeholder engagement, employee motivation, and enhancing brand value. They humanize the workplace and fulfill both economic and social roles, making them essential for any organization. Effective internal communications foster a sense of community and belonging among employees. They ensure that all employees are informed about organizational changes, updates, and policies, facilitating clear and consistent messaging from leadership to staff. Satisfied employees show better job performance and positive societal attitudes. Managers should create a supportive psychological climate and build a reputation as a good employer through effective internal communication. The objectives of internal communications include helping employees understand their job and company goals, linking personal success to company success, highlighting the societal value of the company's work, and illustrate the company's role in societal challenges. To implement effective internal communication, top management support is essential. Develop a communication strategy with clear goals, use suitable communication mediums for all employees, and maintain open and prompt communication channels. Thank you for watching. Remember, effective internal communication is key to a positive work environment and organizational success. Keep striving to improve your communication strategies for a better workplace.